recently, which is called Portfolio Optimization Tool. So you just have to go to this URL, portfolio optimize .herokuapp.com, and you will then land on this page. Here there are three different input parameters that you have to enter. Time period. So this is a time period based on which you would want to make some kind of a investment decision. Okay, and you just throw in the ticker symbols of all the stocks that you want to invest in and the total amount that you want to invest. So let's say if I want to use almost 11 years worth of you know data to make my decision, and then let's say if I want to invest in more stock, if I just throw in more stocks, uh, you know, you can just throw in as many as you want, and then let's say if you have around $50,000, and you just have to click on submit. It takes some time to refresh, and it's doing the calculation in the backend. And once the calculation is done, yeah, see, it has been updated. So now, if you are factoring this time period, and using this time period, analyzing all these stocks, how they grew, and if you had $50,000 in today's time, you could invest around $517 in Netflix, $22,600 in Apple, uh, 5.5 in Google, and around 20,000 in Discover and $700 in Neo. So if you were to divide your $50,000, which you can see over here, it has been divided from 0 to 50. You can see the breakup. You would get like an estimated expected annual returns of 166%, 58.24% annual volatility, and then 2.8 Sharp ratio. Um, Again, this investment strategy is based on the historical data. It doesn't take any inputs such as like the current events and lots of things that are happening on a day-to-day basis. So that's why you take like a really long time period, so that you kind of average out so many additional factors in the long term. So you can just throw in these combination of stocks and the amount of money, and then kind of plan your investment for a similar amount of time period in future. Again, this is not a investment advice. You can just play around with this tool and then kind of simulate your different decisions and see how they look. You also have a few more views. So this is basically the performance of these stocks in that time period that you have entered above. And again, like it's just calculating the number of stocks based on the amount. So this is $517. So basically, uh, around one Netflix stock will amount to that much amount, and then you can buy 150 stocks of Apple, which is again $22,600, equivalent to 150 stocks of Apple as of the current value of the Apple stock. So you can kind of, see like what is the total amount you're investing, and then how many number of stocks you want to purchase to get this, breakup. So yeah, I hope you would have liked this tool. I am going to share my GitHub repo for this tool in the as a link in the description. Please check it out. Let me know if you have any comments. Thank you.